this is Wizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade Discord Nitro subscription. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord Nitro is a paid subscription that enhance the user experience with features like custom emojis and animated avatars. It offers additional benefits such as large file uploads, high definition streaming, and the ability to provide two server boosts for a chosen community. So how if you want to upgrade your Discord to Nitro subscriptions, it's very simple. So first of all, of course, to help to open our Discord, here's I'm using my Discord on my MacBook. Let's open the Discord first and try to upgrade to Nitro subscription. As you can see in here, my Discord is like this, the appearance. If you want to upgrade, you can see there's like Nitro option. You can select on that. And in here, you can unlock a world of perk with Nitro. You can see what's new, the update from Discord have. Now, if you want to upgrade, you can select on subscribe. You can select on subscribe. And in here, you can choose the plan from basic and also the Nitro popular. For the example, I will just choose on basic. Here's the benefits. You can upload more than about 50 megabytes upload. You can custom emojis anywhere, unlimited super reaction, spatial Nitro badge on your profile. You can choose you want to use yearly or monthly. Here's the price. You can select. You can select the payment type. You can with card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, Google Play. For example, we use Google Pay. You can enter your name. So I have subscribed to the Nitro. I will try to reopen the Discord. Wait. So now I have upgraded my Discord to Nitro Basic. If you open on the Nitro in here, you can check what's the benefits you have that Discord gives to you. Like you can upload about 50 megabytes files and also the others benefit. If you want to like this, you want to change your theme on your Discord, you can upgrade your Discord to this to popular Nitro plan on your Discord. It's very simple, right? So that is how to upgrade Nitro to your Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.